Standard 6th SSC Board. Subject Science. Chapter 1 Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. Exercise with solution. 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The layer of ozone gas absorbs dash rays that come from the sun to the earth. Answer is ultraviolet. The layer of ozone gas absorbs ultraviolet rays that come from the sun to the earth. Next question. Of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms dash %. From the chart we can see water in seas, oceans is 97%, groundwater, ice and water in other forms is 2.7%, then the remaining water available for drinking, fresh water, is 0.3%. So, answer is, of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms 0.3%. Next question. C. Both dash and dash constituents are present in the soil. Answer is, both abiotic and biotic constituents are present in the soil. Examples of abiotic constituents are microbes, worms, insects, plants. Examples of abiotic constituents are stones, sand, rocks. Next question. 2. Why is it said that A. The ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth? Answer is, there is a layer of ozone gas in the lower part of stratosphere. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living things. The ozone gas absorbs these rays. As a result, life on Earth is protected. Next question. Why is it said that B. Water is life?
The blood of animals and the sap in plants contain a very high proportion of water. No living thing can survive without water. Therefore, it is said that water is life.
Next question. Why is it said that seawater is useful even though it is not potable?
Water on the earth is regulated through the water cycle. The water vapor formed from oceans is the main source of water in the water cycle. It gets converted into rain, creating fresh water sources on earth, so that it is said that seawater is useful even though it is not potable.
Next question. 3. What will happen if microbes in the soil get destroyed?
If microbes in the soil are destroyed, the soil would lose its fertility and ability to support plant life. This is because microbes play vital roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and soil structure, all of which are essential for healthy plant growth.
Next question. 3. What will happen if B. The number of vehicles and factories in your surroundings increases?
If the number of vehicles and factories in surroundings increases, both vehicles and factories release harmful gases and particulate matter into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution.
Next question. 3. What will happen if C. The total supply of potable water is finished?
If the total supply of potable water is finished, it would lead to the end of life on Earth, because water is essential for all life forms to survive and function.
Fourth question is, match the following. It will pay as shown here. Carbon dioxide pairs with plants and food production. Oxygen pairs with combustion. Water vapor pairs with rain. Microbes pairs with generation of soil. Fifth question. Name the following. A. Constituents of the biosphere. Living things and the parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are together called the biosphere. Biotic constituents of soil.
Microbes, worms and insects.
Fossil fuel.
Petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, and other useful materials like tar and wax.
Inert gases in air. Argon, helium, neon, krypton, and xenon, gases that are harmful to the ozone layer.
Carbon tetrachloride and chlorofluorocarbons.
Sixth question is, true or false? A. Land and soil are the same thing.
False.
B. The water in a lake is called groundwater.
False. Groundwater is water in well and bore well.
C. It takes about 1,000 years to form a 25 centimeter thick layer of soil.
True.
D. Radon is used in decorative lights.
False. Because neon, not radon, is used in decorative lights.
Seventh question. Answer in your own words. Part A. Explain with the help of a diagram how soil is formed. Soil forms when rocks break down over time due to heat, cold, water, wind, and rain. This process creates stones, sand, and soil which are full of tiny life forms like microbes, worms, insects, and small animals. Tree roots also help break down rocks. It takes about 1,000 years to make just 2.5 centimeters of mature soil. Why is there a shortage of water, even though it occupies about 71% of the Earth's surface?
Even though 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, there is still a big shortage of water we can use. This is mostly because most of the water is salty and found in the oceans. Fresh water, which we need to drink and grow food, makes up only a small part of the total water. A lot of it is stuck in glaciers, ice caps, or underground.
What are the various constituents of air? Write their uses. The air in the atmosphere around the Earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 6 inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. Uses. Nitrogen. Vital for living organisms to create essential proteins. Plays a role in ammonia production and the airtight packaging of food. Oxygen. Critical for respiration in living beings and essential for combustion. Carbon dioxide. Essential for plants in their food production and found in fire extinguishers. Helium. Employed for achieving low temperatures and for providing lift in airships. Neon. Utilized in decorative lighting and street lamps. Krypton. Used in fluorescent tubes. Xenon. Known for its application in flash photography. Argon. Commonly used in electric bulbs. Last question. Why are air, water, and land considered to be valuable natural resources?
Air, water, and land are essential because they help all living things, including humans. Air gives us oxygen, which we need to breathe and stay alive. Water is necessary for drinking, keeping clean, and staying healthy. Land is used for growing food, building, and supporting different industries.
Here we have completed class 6th exercise for chapter 1st of subject science. If you feel it's useful video, please like and share with your friends. For more such exercises, subscribe our channel Gnana Prabha. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.